Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need to stock up on some liquid hand soap for your home, I would definitely check out Amazon Basics antibacterial hand soap. I really like this soap for a few reasons. One, I really love that it is affordable and it comes in this bulk packaging, so I can refill my own soap dispensers at home, which is great, saves on packaging and also saves on cost. I also like that it has a nice fresh citrus scent. It smells really nice, but it is not overpowering, but it just smells nice and fresh and clean. I also like that this pours very well. It's not so thin that it is a drippy mess when you're trying to refill your soap dispensers, but it's not so thick that it's hard to get it into them. So this is a really great option. I think it does a great job of cleaning your hands. I love that it's antibacterial, which is always good to fight against germs. It has a really nice lather and it feels good on your skin and is not drying. So this is a great option. I would definitely recommend. And that's my point of view.